Today we're going to unbox a New Balance sneakers. This is a running shoes, pretty good one. The model is New Balance Arishi V1 running shoes. It's US 8 size and Euro 41.5 and UK 7.5. Usually US 8 size is equal to the Euro 41, but in this shoe case it's 41.5. So I ordered the 40x wide T large shoes, so it's a bit wider than the standard one because I have wider feet and I need a pretty much comfort during fitness activities, during the gym activities, which is very important. So this is Fresh Foam New Balance Arishi V1 running shoes. Yeah, box looks pretty good, pretty nice, and let's unpack to see what is inside. I'm very curious. Okay, here we go. It's packed like any other good shoes. Here it is. It already looks good. Let's get both. Let's get out both of the shoes. Yes, here those are. Looks pretty good to me, and the foam and the style and the New Balance logo and another Fresh Foam New Balance, you can see it here, is written here. It's not the most expensive one, but it's an economy class shoes, but yeah, you can see that Fresh Foam inside. They promise it's very comfortable. Looks pretty stylish, and see the foam fresh. This part is wider because I have a wide feet and I needed shoes that can bring me a comfort. So I ordered this kind of one, and I like this color a lot. So let's see how it's gonna be in the gym. I'll also show it how it's on my feet. You're gonna look at it that. Yes, so here also we have everything written. It's made in Vietnam, for a wide 7.5 UK size, 8 US size, and 41.5 EU size, and in centimeters is 26 centimeters. Yeah, I like it very much. You know, it's as is promised, it's pretty comfortable, and it's made as a running shoe, made with an engineering mesh upper and New Balance Response performance insert for even more comfort. And they promise that it's ready to take you from the workout to the rest of the day. So let's follow their promise and see if it gives me an ultimate comfort every day. But generally I'm gonna use it in the gym. So let's see how is it on my feet.